From the Detroit Free Press, I'm Robin Shan with today's Voice Briefing. It's Thursday, March 16th, 2023.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Kristen Shamus. State health leaders are looking for ways to cut the rate of maternal mortality in Michigan, which more than doubled from 2018 to 2019, to a rate of 23.2 pregnancy-related maternal deaths per 100,000 live births. Michigan data for 2020, the first year of the coronavirus pandemic, won't be released until early 2024. But among pregnancy-related maternal deaths that occurred between 2015 and 2019, more than 63% were preventable, state data shows. The most common causes were tied to hypertension in pregnancy, hemorrhage, and infection. There also are stark racial disparities. Black women were 2.8 times more likely to die from pregnancy-related causes between 2015 and 2019 than white women. Elizabeth Hertel, director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, is planning a series of town hall meetings across the state in April and May to talk with people and learn about how well newly launched programs like the Healthy Moms, Healthy Babies initiative are working to help those at highest risk of health complications tied to pregnancy and childbirth. To learn more about those programs, go to freep.com.
This is Nusrat Rahman with the Detroit Free Press. More than 1.3 million Michiganders will see a drop in food assistance benefits this month, and Metro Detroit food pantries are preparing to help more families. Over 700,000 families in Michigan were receiving at least $95 more each month through a pandemic-era expansion of the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP. Households will see regular benefits resume this month after as many as 3 years with the extra boost for some. The additional SNAP dollars provided relief as grocery costs surged and made room in budgets for families to pay for other essentials. Organizers at Fish and Loaves in Taylor were preparing earlier this month by stocking up on extra food so pantry shelves don't go empty. One client who is on a fixed income and was receiving $100 more each month said the extra benefits helped her keep her freezer full and get ahead. Another person said the additional food assistance helped as food and gas costs skyrocketed. Grocery prices are still high, and families say now they'll have to budget and stretch the regular benefits.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Marina Johnson. Many universities in the state of Michigan offer low-cost and tuition-free programs to ensure students of all backgrounds have access to higher education. Each college has a different set of criteria to be considered for these programs based off income, grade point average, and more. Some universities involved in low-cost and tuition-free programs include University of Michigan, Northern Michigan University, Saginaw Valley State University, and more. Both community colleges and four-year universities have similar support systems in place for their students financially. For more, visit freep.com.
I'm Kirkland Crawford with the Free Press Sports Department, and you'll have to excuse the Detroit Lions if they feel like they've finally gotten rid of the Wicked Witch of the West. On Wednesday, on the Pat McAfee podcast, Packers quarterback Aaron Rodgers said he doesn't want to play in Green Bay anymore. The surefire Hall of Famer said his desire is to be traded to the New York Jets, which, of course, opens a proverbial door in the NFC North. And just in time for the Lions, who will likely enter the 2023 season as the favorites. That's right, I said the favorites to win the division. One of the reasons they hope that will happen is an improved defense. And one of the leaders of that defense, Alex Anzalone, spoke with the media on Wednesday after signing his new 3-year deal. And he doesn't seem to be sweating this new change at all. As he said, change is nothing you can't get used to in the NFL. But the Lions winning the division? There's some change we'd all wouldn't mind seeing.
For more stories from the Detroit Free Press, visit freep.com. That's FREEP.com. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.